Hello everyone! We are here again this year in front of this wardrobe. Last year I restructured the whole wardrobe, like it wasn't looking like this, it didn't have the shelves like that. I've restructured my closet here, which has all of my shoes, my boyfriend's closet, which is this leaf right here. So if you want to see all that, I will be leaving the two previous videos down below, was part 1 and part 2, because it was huge. And because it was successful and you guys enjoyed it, I thought, well, we're transitioning from winter to summer again, and as you can see, my wardrobe is full of winter clothes and it's a mess as well. So I was like, why not? I'm gonna do it again anyway, I might as well film it. Of course, before we jump into the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and apparently you have to click the little notification bell button if you want to watch more of my upcoming videos. And of course, don't forget to follow me on my social media to chat with me or choose which video you want to see next from me. And without further rambling, let's go tackle this mess behind me. Okay, so I'm also in the middle of spring cleaning right now. That's why I really needed to empty this wardrobe and get my summer clothes in. Oh, and of course, I have not unpacked from going to Greece, and it's been a week. I guess I should unpack. So I'm gonna make a few piles. I'm gonna get the winter pile, which is gonna go back into these boxes. I'm gonna make the keep pile to put back in, and I'm also gonna make the donate pile, which I don't think is going to be that big because I already donated everything I needed to last time I did my wardrobe and I put stuff back into the boxes. Right, now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna empty these boxes, and like I said, of course, I'm gonna put on the side what I'm keeping, what I'm donated, what I don't think I'm gonna be using. So yeah, there's gonna be one pile that goes away to other people to be able to enjoy clothes that I'm not wearing. And of course, there's going to be the pile that is going to go back into the wardrobe for the summer part once I've taken all this dark goodness out. So in here, it's not completely empty, but I do have some items that I really don't want to part with. The items that mean a lot to me, or bought them from other countries, and I don't necessarily want to wear them, but I do keep them as like a souvenir from going into that country or to that event and stuff. So there's just a couple of t-shirts that are going to be staying in there. I think there's like 3 or 4 of them. It's not too much. I'm just keeping them because they mean stuff to me and I don't want to get rid of them. Okay, so 1 box down, 2 to go. Here, apparently I have a lot of swimsuits here, which I'm also gonna have to sort through because I don't think I'm wearing all of them. Okay, apparently the 3rd box is just full of stuff that I'm not using. Mainly it's full of hangers, and if you don't know from the previous video, my favorite hangers are the velvet ones, especially for dresses and summer tank tops and clothes, because from the velvet ones, the clothes don't really slip, and when you hang something by its straps, usually with like these sort of hangers, the plastic ones, the strap starts falling down, and it's so annoying when you're like shuffling through your clothes and you're trying to find something, and like half of the straps fall down, and then the top falls down your wardrobe, and then you have to put it back up again. So they're amazing, nothing falls down, and I think you can never beat black and silver in your wardrobe. It just looks so clean. You know what, I'm gonna leave all of them in here for now, and I'm gonna move this box on my, okay, I'm gonna move it to my right, and if I need a hanger, I'm just going to take it straight from there. So now what I need to do is take all of this off, but I'm gonna leave a couple of like joker items, which means that I can wear them even in the winter if it's like a bit colder, or I need something on top, like a couple of probably like hoodies or something, just to chuck on top if I'm really cold, like if I'm sitting in my chair and I'm feeling cold, so I can chuck this on. Now we're going back to filling in these boxes with all the items behind me. I would like to fill one of these up with all my jackets. So let's go ahead and try this, even though I kind of have a feeling I'm gonna fail with that, but let's try. I've literally just kept 3 of my summer jackets, another 3 or 4 I've thrown away to the donate pile. So next winter I better be buying some nice fluffy jackets. And now let's tackle this mess right here, which is mostly just jumpers and knitwear. So this item, for example, I'm going to keep out, like I said, in case, like as a joker item, in case I get a little bit cold, so I don't have to shuffle through the boxes. But I'm gonna put it in a drawer, so I'm gonna kind of hide it because yes, we do have a little bit of a colder summer in Germany, but sometimes at night it does get much colder than usual, so it's nice to have something to chuck on. Another hoodie I'm gonna be keeping out for the summer. It's the exact same one with the dusty peach colored hoodie that I showed you. It's the exact same thing, one in black, one in dusty peach. So these 2 will have to do, and if they don't, I'm just gonna open these boxes, take whatever I want out and be done with it. Thinking of keeping this out for the summer as well. Like if you go clubbing, it's pretty like cute. And I mean, black goes for summer and winter as well. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm gonna give this out. Okay, so now I'm gonna take everything that is left. There's a few summer stuff that I was taking out to try, some bags, and of course there are scarves and stuff. And I'm thinking, I don't know if the scarves will fit here, so I'm gonna keep my scarves on the bed for now, and then when I empty the 3rd box that is full of hangers right now, I'm gonna be able to shove the scarves in there. This, my friends, is what I like to call an organized mess. I know exactly where everything is gonna end up going. In this pile, that pile, and that pile. So I'm so proud that it looks messy, but at least I have a plan in mind. Next thing I'm gonna want to do is put all of my tops in here and my dresses, and of course the jackets I'm gonna keep for the summer part. And I have satinator in my nose. For this part, I'm actually going to be working with a color coordinating wheel. You can find them obviously in Google. I just typed color coordination. It came up with a couple of wheels and I chose this one. So this is sort of my guide to coordinate all of my colors that are going to be going in. And I'm going to start with jackets, then tops, and then at the back I put my dresses. So the way I see it, I do have a lot of room to still hang my t-shirts and my tank tops. I'm gonna add the rest of my jackets in that I'm keeping, just to make sure I do have space, because I don't want everything to look, you know, too cluttered. I want to be able to choose my stuff very nice. I want to have like dressy tank tops and t-shirts. What I do is I put the shortest first. Like if I have a black dressy tank top and a black normal shirt that's lower, I usually put the shorter stuff first so I can see everything that hides behind it. Right, so now I'm gonna take all of my t-shirts out, which are hiding behind me in a drawer down there. I don't have that many, we'll see. I do have some tank tops as well that I wanna sort through. And I've got more winter stuff, which these are gonna go into these boxes that are full. And some more like sporty hoodies, which these I'm going to keep because I will use them at the gym, most likely. It's more like about color coordination, because if I wear something and then I'm like, okay, I want to put a pop of blue on top, or I want to put a pop of white, or like a pop of like pink, then I'm just gonna go straight to the section. I'm not just gonna be like fiddling around, except if I'm wearing like jeans, then everything kind of fits. This stuff is the stuff that I go to the gym with, so they're all gonna stay, but they're gonna go back into that drawer. No, I'm running out of hangers. How did this happen? Okay, so I'm just gonna have to use some of the normal Primark hangers that I have kept, thank Jesus, because they're like, you know, if they're in, you can't really see the difference until I buy some new ones. Oh my god, this is my new t-shirt, and for the people who have watched my Easter vlog that I just uploaded on my channel, you know I wore it every day, washed it obviously, but I wore it every day. It is so nice. I love this t-shirt, it's so cute. Look, it's a Levi's t-shirt and it has Snoopy. I love Snoopy, he's the cutest. Isn't this a very colourful summer wardrobe? Most of you will most likely say no, and that is true. Ever since I put like more kilograms on and I'm not very comfortable in my body, I tend to go for like the darker clothes. Like as you can see here, most of my clothes are dark, like most of my shirts are dark from here to here, and then I have a few that are white, mostly t-shirts. And then when we go to dresses, well, I do add a little bit more color in dresses. I have white, I have pink. So in here, what I'm going to do is, because on the other drawer underneath, because we have two drawers in here. Oh, whew, cleaning is an exercise, guys. On the other one underneath, I'd have all of the trousers, and I don't really put my trousers back into winter and summer. I just have like all my long trousers out all year long. So what I'm gonna do here is put all of my shorts and skirts that I wear just in the summer and my gym gear. So these are t-shirts that I will wear to go to the gym, and underneath I'm gonna put the shorts, I guess. So at the front we have all of the shorts down there, and I do have a skirt here as well, which is gonna have to be lonely for the time being because I don't have any other summer skirt, so I'm just gonna leave it here on its own. And I'm gonna also put the little gym jackets. It's not perfect, but it will do. I'm gonna have my hoodies there and my zip up hoodies, and all my gym t-shirts there, my shorts here, and my one skirt. So we're done with this one. Okay, and here are all of my long trousers, including like leggings, gym trousers, back there more sort of like smart trousers, and of course a lot of denim down there. Now you can see it much better, and I'm not really gonna do much to that because I'm keeping all of the ones you see. I'm just gonna put back in all of the ones that I had taken traveling with me. Okay, so now that we got the last box empty from the hangers, I'm going to put in the last items, which of course are the scarves and very wintry stuff. Of course, now that we're done with all of this, if you remember at the start, well, if you don't, you can go back to the start of the video, I had my scarves all here, which means that I do like having seasonal items showing here. Now, scarves are seasonal for winter and swimsuits are seasonal for the summer, so that's what we're gonna do. And I'm also gonna put down here all of the bags that I use. So I'm kind of going to put like the set together. So that is the bikini top and the bikini bottom, and I'm kind of going to put the bikini bottom behind. and place them here. This is literally my favorite of all time. I've sold you it, guys, in a Primark haul. If I remember, I will link it down below because it is a beautiful swimsuit. And this pretty much is it, guys. With how it turned out, I know that the top might be a little bit cluttered for some of you, but for me it looks perfect. I can see all of the clothes, all of the styles, and I don't a lot of times go towards a style, I go towards a certain color. Then underneath I do have my most used bags in front of these white boxes that we stored all the winter clothes in. On the first drawer we put my gym gear back there, like actually my t-shirts for the gym. At the front we put all of the shorts that I have for the summer, hoodies here and zip up hoodies here, and in the front is my skirt and my 2 belts. For the second drawer we didn't really touch it because I like it as it is. Dark denim here, blue denim in the middle, gym gear and leggings at the front, and then more smart trousers down there in the corner at the back. So that was it for another organizing my closet video. Thank you guys so much for keeping me company, and of course I really hope you enjoyed this video, because not to say that I don't enjoy it, but having you to talk to made it much more enjoyable to make my wardrobe look again summery and have all my summer clothes out. Again, I want to thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye.